Yo boys, before this video starts, if you would like the chance of winning a 10 coin promo, all you have to do is comment your Discord name and like this video. Now I'm going to draw two people from the last video. First one is going to be Out770 and the next person is going to be Gibbarkungen, so yeah. Yo, hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Vaulty. We are once again back on rain.gg. We have 650 coins to play with, and before we get into the video I just want to tell you guys, if you're gonna play on rain, head over to deposit, type in code Vaulty and apply. If you do so, you will automatically join our 1000 coin bi-weekly leaderboard, and you will also get a 5% deposit bonus. So yeah boys, let's just get straight into the video. We just missed a rain here by the way, so let's try to go for a double rain. Let's put 25 coins on rain spin. It was a 5x, it's not the greatest multiplier, so hopefully we can hit a double now. Come on, start off the video with a W here, come on. Nah, that's not it. Let's go over to the battles instead. And if you guys have missed it, we're live every single day on Kick as well, so don't miss that out. Go follow us on Kick. We are doing daily W's there. Yesterday we won really big actually. Okay, let's just start this one. 2 bots in the enemy team. I have only players with me. Come on, BCX. Okay, nothing in the first one. Now, over to the 5%ers. Magnetic, 1 spin anywhere. No. Come on, don't be this dry. Last one. Stop on that. Nah, not a single spin, are you kidding me? 6 people, not a single spin. I feel bad for the people joining me. Come on, Rainbot T1 in the enemy team here. Okay, Rainbot 1, he insta-pulls. What's in this case? Hopefully something good. Okay, doesn't seem to be that good. Nah, okay, that can't be good at all. 17 coins, okay, Raft. Let's see what you can do. Nothing. Which one is it now? Now it's Climbers, come on. Stop. Okay, we get another spin, but they get a purple. No, yeah, purple as well. Come on. Crazy hit on the top now. Yeah, that has to be decent, right? Yeah, 180. 68, I mean. Come on, last case. We are gonna have the most percentage here. Or it's a 50-50 actually. Yeah, it is a win. We do make some money as well. Not the greatest profit, but how much? 124, a little 20 coin win there. Come on now. Okay, nothing so far in the 1%ers. Stardust. Nope. Come on. 5% gloves. No. Come on, just give us a hit now. Give us a hit. That's all I am asking for. No way that happened. Too slow, and too slow. Triple bait. Okay, there's only 4 cases left. We need to hit something now. Invisibility. Nope. Okay, right now it's looking really bad. There's only 2 cases left. 2 5%ers. Come on, nap time. Holy shit, this battle is dry. 25 Logan, save us. Okay, that's a double spin. This could actually do something. Give 2 crazy hits now. I wanna see 2 golds. Ah, okay. I mean, we'll still take it. Come on, can we win? We do get some money back. How much? 100 coins. Bot number 2 and 16. Or me. Come on, just one spin. Nah, I think, yeah, we lost that. Fuck. How much are the gloves? 300, okay. Actually paid profit as well. Come on now. Go down, no, almost spin right away. Okay. We get the shotgun, I mean, it's alright. No 1%er. We need to start seeing some hits now. Okay. Come on, we're down more than 400 coins. Nope. Come on, nap time. Nope. King G. We need a save now. Holy shit, what's happening? Okay, we get 20 coins back. Let's see if we can upgrade that. 21 coins. We have to go for a 20x. If this hits, we're back on starting. Please, 5%er hit. Nah, that's not hitting. Right at the bottom. Save us now. No 1%er. Nap time is so due. Come on, use one hit on nap time now. No. Gonst, come on. Okay. Mean that's a hit, but it's not good. 50 coins. Permadeath. No. Global 1%er on the left, please, just do it. No. Go down, that's so disgusting. What the fuck? I don't understand. I don't think we have won a single battle that actually paid something today. And you do that right in between. Yeah. We do win, we do win. 122 back. Now we're gonna call the bots insta. Come on. Stardust. On top, no. Now, Life's Lemon on top. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, give us the butterfly. Oh my god, that's so bad for that case. 380, we'll take it though. Last case, on top again. Okay, we take it, we take it. 167, but there's so good items in this one. Come on, all in battle. Save us with the last case. One percenter. No, it baits. Now. Just one gold. No. It's gonna be a 50-50. Okay, we do win. What is happening? We're just going up and down. I'm pretty sure that's money back as well. It's even profit. It's 200. What? Let's see here. Upgrader. 20.18. 20x. We want it right here. Ah. Should have moved it a bit. Come on! Is this the last battle of the video? No 1%er. Come on, Life's Lemon. I want to see 3 spins on the bottom. Go down at least. No, I almost got one. Trap, come on. Go down. Why is it just baiting? Last case, the new one. Save us. Delivery. Stop on the spin. Holy shit, it's baiting. Yeah, we have no percentage at all. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I don't think we won a single fucking battle this video that actually paid anything. So boys, you know what? If you're gonna play in rain, use code Vaulty, hit that 7 days and apply. If you do so, you join the 1000 coin bi-weekly leaderboard, and we will see you boys in the next video instead. Bye.